Hello everyone, today let's solve the same tree problem. So given a two binary tree, we have to check whether or not they are the same. So let's use this as example. So we have to check whether or not the node is the same, right? So this one is the same, and then we have to go left and right. It's the same, it's the same. And when we encounter both are nil, we should return true, okay? So that's one of the case we have to deal with. Another edge case is that when one of the node is not nil and another node is nil, so we should also return false. Wait a second. When we compare 3, it's the same, right? So we will go left and right. And when we go right, we will compare 4 with nil. So it means it's not the same tree, right? So we should return false. So let's see the code in action. So edge cases, right? So if the P is nil and Q is nil, we should return true in this case because they are the same. They are both nil, and one of the node is not nil. Okay, P is nil and Q is not nil. Okay, we should return false. It's not the same tree anymore. Or P is not nil and the Q is nil. It's not the same tree anymore. And then we have to compare the value. If it's not equal to the Q value, we should return false. Later on, we just return it's the same tree. We have to check the left, right? And we also have to check the right. We should make sure both left and right is the same tree, same subtree. And yeah, that's it. Time complexity for this algorithm is O(n) because we have to check each node, and then space complexity is O(1). We don't use any extra space. Yeah, and that's it. Thank you for watching.